Hello and welcome to another episode of Who Needs Another Watch? This time it's the famous ORIENT Bambino Small Seconds, or, if we must be correct, the ORIENT RA-AP0003S Mechanical Classic Watch. Here is the instruction manual in all its glory. And the underrated International Guarantee leaflet. A little suspense doesn't hurt anyone. Here it is, my precious. Almost asleep on this gorgeous and smooth mini pillow. Fluffy mini pillow. It has a 40.5mm stainless steel silver case with 30 meters waterproof, handles hand washing and rain showers, a curved antique champagne bomb dial, silver hands, seconds subdial, date aperture and silver Arabic numbers. The case thickness is 12 mm and has a domed mineral glass. On the back, it offers an attractive see-through window where you can spy the watch mechanism. Let's peel off the window protection. I love doing this. Here is the automatic self-winding mechanism. It's the caliber F6222 with 24 jewels, made in Japan, that works at 21,600 vibrations per hour or 6 vibrations per second. The beautiful Orient logo. And on the back, the model number. The genuine leather strap of 21mm lug has the Orient lettering engraved. It is in dark brown with a glossy look. The buckle also has the Orient lettering engraved. The crown has the logo engraved. pushing the crown 2 positions back, you can adjust the hours and minutes. Note that the seconds hand isn't moving. On the first position, you can adjust the day of the month. You can also hand wind the watch. Let's see how it looks on my wrist. I'm taking off my current daily driver, the Withings Scan Watch. They have almost the same size, with 2.5 mm difference in diameter in favor of the Orient. I have a relatively small wrist, 19.5 centimeters. Not too bad. The domed mineral glass and the curved champagne dial give a luxury and vintage touch. It goes well with the leather strap. Because I prefer old stainless steel watches, let's compare the Orient Bambino with the Orient Sun and Moon. A lot heavier. And 1.5 mm bigger in diameter than the Bambino. And a whole 4 mm bigger than the Withings. Two different styles in these two watches from Orient. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below. The Sun and Moon is 1 mm thicker than the Bambino. It looks more thicker because a lot of the thickness of the Bambino is given by the mineral glass and not the body. The calibers are different because the complications are also different. On the Sun and Moon, the caliber is the F6B24 with 22 jewels. Hope you enjoyed this review. If so, please consider subscribing to this channel. Help me reach the 1000 subscribers milestone. Until the next time, stay safe.